Okay, so this video is very anticipated. You're never gonna believe what just arrived. I feel like I needed to film like an introduction for this because this has been a long-lasting dream for my YouTube ambition, and I just had to share this with you. But I mean, the title already says it. So let's get started. Here she is. Okay, this is the back. Not bad. Here she is. I am so freaking excited for this, guys. Like, my baby is finally here. Like, I actually have given her a name. Her name is Belle, and I feel like that just represents what's going on here. So, who's ready for some nice unboxing?
One eternity later.
Oh my god, you have no idea how freaking excited I am. Like, I haven't even tried to figure out how to open it. Okay, it's from the back. All right, let's get the show going. Some nice scissors to open up the box. I actually didn't need scissors for that, but oh yeah, I do. It's not gonna open completely. Yeah, cut this part off. Yeah, it's gonna face this way. Before I break my computer before I even use it, I'm gonna lift this baby up. Oh my god, she is beautiful. The first thing we're going to do is bring this baby out. Let me do it the smart way and lift her up. Wow. See her here. Just give her her own space. Then we're going to bring out the rest of the paraphernalia. Oh my god, guys, like I love. Look at this. Oh my god, can you see? This is so beautiful. Oh my god, I have rose gold everywhere. And then the cable, this is what it looks like. Like everything is pink. Oh. And then this is the adapter. And my cord. Now this is the favorite part about unboxing any Apple product. The stickers! Apple has the best stickers, guys, like the absolute best. Oh, okay, so they gave us in the pink and then the reddish color. I guess the red is supposed to match the back and the pink is supposed to match the front. Now it's time for some ASMR content. I'm just gonna put these aside and just show you like the whole unboxing of all my gadgets.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side.
And now to unbox my new baby. Like I love how it flips back and forth. Are you guys seeing this? This is super cool. They have like icons. I'm not sure if you can see it, but they have like icons, like arrows showing where you can peel them from. And the grand finale, guys. Oh my god. So guys, it's time to set her up. I've done all the connections and I think we are good to go. Just to put in my Apple ID and just making sure that all the information I have on my iCloud can be transferred to this. This is basically my new Mac. I am definitely going to be working on this beauty for a long time. I'm so glad you guys got to the end of this video to watch the final unboxing and what it looks like. If you have any questions on my dealer that I got this from, because pink iMac is so hard to find in Nigeria. If you want his contact, I can definitely shoot it at you or send you an email or even leave it in a comment or even put it in the description. I think I put it in the description so you guys can get from him. But this is freaking amazing, guys. I love this iMac. Everything I wanted, like it's right there. Anyways, I digress. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, you would like to share, please leave it in the comment section down below and I'll definitely respond. Until then, don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.